Hi, what's up, refinance holder? What's going on this time, my friend? The refinance, absolutely, my friend. Price is increasing, so that's a very good news for me, for all of you, and absolutely for holders who invest in those days. My friend, a lot of holders are doing very huge mistake to their starting selling in those days. So definitely, it's a very huge mistake because, brother, this time the price will pumping, and when a price will pumping, so the holder are starting buying, not selling. So therefore, if you also, my friend, decide to this is selling time, so you are completely wrong. Don't sell it. Otherwise, you will never get a profit and you will lose. So my brother, refinance price will be increasing. You can see a 5.45%. And the main reason, my reason was that, my friend, because in previous days the price will very badly fails down. So therefore, the price will get a profit. Definitely after a dump, absolutely every coin will pump. So therefore, my friend, this the main reason was that. So holders if we predicate this coin, so definitely, my friend, you can see here the price will pumps up. So therefore, I tell you, my friends, to my prediction is 100% going positive. I already predicate this coin, and this time, as you can see here, the resistance line is come out here. So if the resistance line they will hit, so definitely that's mean to this coin were fails down. But if they were fails down from resistance line, so they are in the lost. But I am 100% sure to upcoming time they were never fails down from resistance line, and they will completely go in the moon now. So kindly, holder, you will also need, my friends, to hold now. Otherwise, my friend, the coin will fails down. So remember to this is holding time and investing time. If you are starting investing, so definitely the price will be increasing. The CEO of Refinance, my friends, tell us to we are going to collaborate with companies, but absolutely if they will collaborate, so I am 100% sure they will give us very good profit. So why you are wasting your time? Please hold now. Don't starting selling. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.